Muhuhu wa mukawa wa temporisot gucenjia urugamiriri waguo ukoretwo ugithiururuka kwa ihinda iraya na ni kurumirira macira maria mambikitwo igoti-ini ma mukawa marigainie wa Salama no rio urugamiriri wa mukawa ucio ugite mukawa ucio ndurendio na ni muhingure na niuguthii nambere na kuheana motungata maguo. Akeria hindi ya gukungwira mambura ma thiguku, umwe wa arugamiriri mukawa ucio Langa augite aria maratheremia muhuhu wa ati urugamiriri wa mukawa ucio niuracenjerio ni marahingica agendi.
I assure you, we just ordered fantastic drinks. We have a new bartender here. We have a very special menu, and we're definitely very far from closing. We have heard that people are assuming through third parties of a court case this hotel is not really part of anymore. We are a new company, and they are really just hurting our clients. They're hurting our staff, and we have to do something against it because they're affecting our business.
No na kuri oguo urugamiriri wa mukawa ucio ni ukoretwo te kuiguana kwa ihinda na oho macira gukorwo mambikitwo igoti-ini ni arugamiriri Stefano Usheli na Isaac Rodrot.
I know that there are a few criminal cases going on against Mr. Rodrot and Mr. Usheli, and I think they have to answer to them of things, but me personally, I can't give a lot of I can't put a lot of truth in what they're saying.
Nake mutabania wa mitaratara mukawa-ini ucio ni acakaite macira macio akiuga ni macungiriirie mukawa ucio guthie hathara nene ya mukawa ucio.
This hotel operates throughout the year. It's not being closed on seasonal basis because we are dealing with both international and local guests. That one has got a very huge impact as in terms of supporting the locals, because the staff in particular are assured of their continued income because they work throughout the year.
Mikawa miingi mwena wa gicua-ini makiria ya kirathi kia iguru ni koretwo igitara hathara iguru ria macira ma urugamiriri wa mikawa iyo. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njita Kamau wa Mwangi.